Dear students, I am Sanjay Kumar Mehta, TGT English of KV Danapur Cant, first shift. I hope you are all fit and fine. Dear student, today I am going to narrate a story from your supplementary book, An Alien Hand. The name of this story is Golu Grows a Nose. This story tells us how the elephants got its trunk. Before narrating the story, children, I'd like to tell you about its author. About the author of this story is Rudyard Kipling. Joseph Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, writer, poet, and novelist. He was born in India, which inspired much of his work. Born on 30th December 1865 in Mumbai, died on 18th January 1936 in London, United Kingdom. Now, let's know about his fictional work. The Jungle Book is a very famous, worldwide famous storybooks for children. Just So Stories is the best collection from short stories, and Kim, one of the best novel he has written. Now come to the story. Long ago, elephant had a big protruding nose instead of a trunk. Golu was a baby elephant and he was very curious. He had many questions and he wanted to know the answer of all. He wanted to know why the ostrich could not fly like other birds. He was curious about why giraffe have spots on their skin. He asked the hippopotamus why his eyes were red. He also wanted to know why melons taste like melons. None of the animals had answer to Golu's question. None one. So they called him Nati. One day, Golu asked the Maina, a beautiful bird, what crocodile take in his dinner. She told him to go to the grassy Limpopo river and find out the answer himself. Golu decided to go to the river and to know the answer about crocodile. Golu prepared to go. He took lots of sugarcane, bananas, and melons and set off for the Limpopo river. On the way, he met a python. He asked the python what a crocodile looked like because he had never seen a crocodile. The python did not say anything. Golu walked down until he finally reached the grassy Limpopo river. He saw a big log under the grassy river bank. He asked the log whether it had seen a crocodile. But the log was actually crocodile himself. Golu was frightened. He asked the crocodile that what he had for dinner. The crocodile said Golu to come near. He would whisper his answer in his ear. When Golu put his head close to the crocodile, he caught his nose. The python had been following the elephant, baby elephant named Golu. He told Golu to pull hard, otherwise the crocodile would drag him into the river. Both Golu and the crocodile pulled as hard as they could. Golu's nose kept getting longer with the pulling. The python held himself around the Golu's stomach and together they pulled very hard. When Golu finally managed to pull his nose free, it was 5 feet long. Golu's nose hurt badly. He wrapped banana's leaf around his nose and dipped it in the water. After 2 days, the pain in his nose reduced, but his nose did not shrink. When a fly stung on his shoulder, he slapped it with a long nose, which was now a trunk. He plucked a big bundle of grain or grass easily. He picked up some mud and splat it on his head. The python who helped Golu see the condition of his trunk, and he told Golu, there are many benefits to have a long trunk. Golu thanked the python and went to his family. Now, children, the moral of this story: do not blindly trust a stranger. Now, come to vocabulary. Vocabulary make our words power good. We can grow our words power. So, there are some words like protruding. It is also known as bulgy. It means stick out of something. The next word is instead, in place of something. The next one is curious, wanting to know or learn something. The next word is bushy, a plant like a small thick tree. The next word is coil, something in round shape. The next word is splashed, spread like shore. Benefit means advantage. Now, children, we have some question to make our concept clear about the chapter. So the first question is, whom did Golu ask, why don't you ever fly like other birds? The answer is, he asked his tall aunt ostrich. Second question is, second question is, which uncle of Golu had red eyes? Answer is, Uncle Hippopotamus had red eyes. The next one is, who advised Golu to go to the Limpopo River? The answer is, Myna, a little bird, has advised Golu to go to the river. Next one is, Golu's relative did not answer his question because his questions were too difficult. So these are the questions. Now come to the homework part, children. You have to write a paragraph on elephant in your own words. The words limit is between 80 to 100 words. You have seen an elephant during puja holidays, during festivals, during marriage occasion, and during other important moments. Dear children, elephant is actually a wild animal, but some people keep elephants with them. So you have to write a paragraph on elephant.